Patty Lynch, your independent consultant with Princess House. I'm coming at you because we have a new set going on right now, and it's with our Fantasia Fresh collection. If you didn't know about our Fantasia Fresh, it is made of borosilicate glass. That means it can go in the fridge, freezer, microwave, and oven. I absolutely love these containers. I use them all the time. These are from my kitchen, actually. This one I cut up fruit almost daily or every other day and have it throughout the day. It has these lids that are BPA-free plastic, and also has a little vent at the top. The vent is important because once you push it and you put it on, you push it down, and that actually creates the seal, the vacuum that's going to keep everything fresh in there. And then to release the seal, you have to push the button down and it releases it. This is also great for splatter proof in your microwave, so that way nothing's going to splatter. You're going to get 2 of the 1 quarts. You're going to get 1 of the 6x8. No, this is by 8x8. This is great for brownies. You're going to get 2 of the 1 cups. And just think about it. These can go in the oven, so you can like make little individual cakes in here when it's a special day for somebody. And then you are going to get 1 of the 6x8, which I have some marshmallows in there right now. So this whole set, you're actually saving about $83. You're going to be able to get the whole set for $129. You do not need to get a regular price item. You can just buy it as itself. I do have open parties going on, so you can just contact me directly at Patty Lynch at myprincesshouse.com or comment below, and I can get this set for you. Again, this is our Fantasia Fresh container set on special for $129. It's 12 pieces including the lids, and it's good to go. So thank you very much, and let me know if you have any questions. And remember that I believe in you, and you should believe in yourself, and have a fantastic night. Bye-bye.